you can see the landscape of Ron and Sandy Baty during the Kenton Garden Tour. The Batys used to have an above-ground pool, but when their kids grew up, they turned that area into a pond with lots of waterfalls. They aim to make their water features look natural. Sandy thinks the plants help to soften the look. Note the shrubs and even trees that are included in the landscape. The water features have evolved over the years. It took 3 years to get all the stone in place, and it took about 3 years to get the plants right. At first, they had tall plants in front and you couldn't see the pond. If you look closely, you can see a butterfly flitting around the gardens. Those yellow flowers you see toward the left are black-eyed Susans, and they really attract the butterflies. There are a lot of plants that offer nectar to adult butterflies in Sandy's garden. This one is hibiscus. The plant that monarchs really need is milkweed. It's the only plant that monarchs will lay their eggs on, and it's the plant that caterpillars need for food. Sandy has 5 varieties of milkweed in her garden. Last year she gathered the monarch eggs and sheltered the caterpillars and released 50 adults. Ron is the one who built and maintains the ponds. The ponds vary in depth from 2.5 feet to 4 feet. Ron is a member of the Niagara Frontier Koi and Pond Club, and he encourages anybody who wants to know more about ponds, especially beginners, to join. The members are very knowledgeable and they're happy to help people out and share their knowledge. Oh, and stop by during the night lights portion of the Kenton Garden Tour. It looks just as beautiful at night, but in a very different way.